AI tools are changing how people discover brands. Instead of clicking links, users now ask tools like ChatGPT or Gemini for answers. But here's the challenge. How do you know what AI is saying about your brand? That's what Yoast AI Brand Insights is built for. It helps you understand how your brand appears in AI-generated answers and how you compare to competitors. After filling in some basics, the tool will generate AI search queries, questions people might ask about your brand. You can edit or refine them if needed. After that, the tool runs an analysis and gathers data from different AI platforms. Now you can explore your results. The AI Visibility Index gives you a score out of 100 to indicate your AI visibility by looking at mentions, citations, sentiment, and ranking. It also shows you how this has changed since the last analysis. Mentions show you how many of the 5 search queries used result in a mention of your brand, giving you an idea of what type of queries you score on and which aren't showing your brand at the moment. This also shows you how this has changed since the last analysis. Citations give an overview of sources where your brand is cited. It includes the URL, domain, category, impact level, and how many of the questions reference that specific source. This too shows the change since the last analysis. Competitor ranking gives you a quick overview of your biggest competitors on the questions used. It also shows your brand's position on this list. Sentiment shows you how positive or negative your brand is perceived. It also gives real examples of positive and negative keywords found online, allowing for great insights into your strengths and possible improvements. All of this gives you a clear picture of how AI represents your brand. In a world where AI is playing a big role in how people make decisions, Yoast AI Brand Insights help you understand and improve how your brand shows up.